In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rocket Money to budget effectively. Whether you're looking to keep a closer eye on your finances, save for a special purchase, or just manage your expenses better, this tool can be really helpful in organizing and maintaining your budget. To get started, you'll first want to access Rocket Money. Open up your preferred web browser and head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in to your account. If you haven't done this before, simply click on the Sign In button. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password, so make sure to have those details handy. Signing in will take you to your personalized dashboard, which is essentially your command center for all things financial. Now that you're on your dashboard, the next step is where the budgeting magic begins. Look for the Budgets tab. This is usually found in the main navigation menu, and this is where you'll set up and manage your budgeting categories. Once you click on it, you'll see an option to Add Budget. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new screen where you'll start building your budget categories. When you're adding a budget, the first thing you'll do is choose a category. Categories might include essential expenses like groceries, entertainment, or savings goals. Rocket Money offers a range of categories to choose from, allowing you to tailor your budget according to your lifestyle and spending habits. It's a good idea to think about your regular expenses and select categories that reflect those areas. After choosing a category, it's time to set your budget limit. This is where you determine how much money you want to allocate to each category. Think about your income and financial goals when setting these limits. If you're not sure what amount to start with, examine your past spending behaviors or start with a lower limit to encourage thoughtful spending. Remember, the goal here is to create a budget that's both realistic and sustainable, so don't be too hard on yourself. Once you've set your budget limits, Rocket Money will help you track your expenses automatically. As you spend, Rocket Money will categorize and add those expenses to the appropriate budget bucket, helping you see where your money goes and how it aligns with your budget goals. It's a great visual tool to stay on top of your spending. Plus, by checking back regularly, you'll gain valuable insights into your spending habits and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You're all set up to use Rocket Money to effectively manage and optimize your budget. Regularly checking your budgets and making adjustments as life changes will ensure you stay on track toward achieving your financial goals. Thanks for watching and happy budgeting!